Hi guys, welcome to this fifth video in our series on laws of indices. Prior to this video, we have looked at three of the laws of indices. We've looked at the law of addition, we've looked at the law of subtraction, we've looked at the law of zero, and in this video, we are looking at the law of bracket. If you want to see all those videos, you can go to my playlist and click on the laws of indices. Okay, so this law, the law of bracket, states that when two exponents, which are also called powers, are separated by a bracket, you multiply the powers. So if two exponents are separated by a bracket, what you simply do is multiply the powers. Remember, in mathematics, bracket means multiplication. So when two exponents are separated by a bracket, you simply multiply the powers. Let's look at these simple situations. We have bracket a to the power of b, and this we have a power of c here. So in order to remove this bracket, all you need to do is multiply the powers b and c to give us a to the power of b times c, or a to the power of bc. Also, if you look at this case, a to the power of b, c to the power of d, all to the power of e. So this external exponent is going to multiply each of these two internal exponents, okay? Because a has an exponent of b, c has an exponent of d. So what we are going to have is a to the power of b e, because b multiplied by e, and c to the power of d e, d multiplied by e. So even when you have a situation like this, which is a division, this external exponent is also going to multiply the exponents for the numerator and the denominators. So in order to correctly solve questions on indices involving bracket, you must follow the law of bracket. Let's look at these four simple questions that we have here. Let's look at the first one, number 1, or A. We have y to the power of 4 all to the power of 3. So the power of 4 and the power of 3 are separated by a bracket. So all you simply need to do is eliminate the bracket by multiplying the powers. So this will be y to the power of 4 times 3. And we know that 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. So we have y to the power of 12. That is our answer. Let's look at B. B, we have 3z to the power of 2 all to the power of 3. So this looks similar to this, but in this situation, instead of having a, we are having 3. But does 3 have an exponent? Yes, the exponent there is an invisible 1. Okay, so let's make it visible. 1, 3 to the power of 1. This means this external exponent is going to multiply 1, and this external exponent is going to multiply 2. So we are going to have 3 to the power of 1 times 3, z to the power of 2 times 3. So simplifying this, we're going to have 3 to the power of 3, z to the power of 6. But 3 to the power of 3 is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 3 multiplied by 3 is going to give us 9, and 9 multiplied by 3 is going to give us 27. So this is going to give us 27 z to the power of 6. That becomes the answer. So let's look at C. C, we have v to the power of 6 divided by minus v to the power of 4. Now, minus v to the power of 4 is different from minus v to the power of 4. This is different. Now, this 4 is multiplying both v and the invisible minus 1, because minus v is the same thing as minus 1v. So we are going to separate them. This will be v to the power of 6. This bracket does not go to the numerator, so we cannot really apply this way. Okay, divided by minus 1 v to the power of 4. So this 4 as an external exponent is going to multiply both minus 1 and v. So we will have v to the power of 6 all over minus 1 to the power of 4, v to the power of 4. Now, what is minus 1 to the power of 4? Minus 1 to the power of 4 is minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by minus 1. Minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 is going to give us plus 1. Plus 1 multiplied by minus 1 is going to give us minus 1. And minus 1 multiplied by plus 1 is going to give us plus 1. So minus 1 to the power of 4 is positive 1. So we will have v to the power of 6 all over 1v to the power of 4. And we know that 1v to the power of 4 is the same thing as v to the power of 4. So our answer will be v to the power of 6 divided by v to the power of 4. But we can still simplify further. How do we do that? We can use the law of subtraction. When two exponents with the same base are dividing each other, you subtract the powers. This means our final answer will be v to the power of 6 minus 4 will give us 2. So here we have v to the power of 2. Let's look at d. For d, we have 1 over 4 bracket 8m to the power of 2. So this exponent 2 is going to work on 8 and m. So we have 1 all over 4 into 8 to the power of 2, m to the power of 2. So this will be 1 all over 4 multiplied by 8 to the power of 2 is 8 multiplied by 8, which is 64. So we have 64m squared. We can cancel out by dividing 64 by 4. So 64 divided by 4 will give us 16, and 4 divided by 4 will give us 1. Therefore, our final answer is going to be 1 multiplied by 16m squared is going to give us 16m squared. That is our final answer to this question. If you understood the topic, I would like you to solve this classwork and leave your answer in the comment section. So simplify 1 over 8 2x squared to the power of 3. So I'd like to see the answer to this simple question in the comment section. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more maths content. See you in the next one. Bye.